tab in the theme options is where you're going to control some of the more general options, such as the font. So if the default is a black font that appears on a light background, then you decide you want a dark background, then you would need to actually change the font color, for instance, to a dark black background. For instance, you might change that to an off-white or a white font. So I won't do that for now. You might want to change the color of your links and also the style of the link, so whether you want it to be underlined, whether you want for it to blink, the hover style, what happens when people hover over the link, and we also have options for how your headings are going to be styled in terms of the size, color, and line height of your what are called H1 tags, which you'll be able to generate using the visual editor when you are creating a page. So you can create 3 different types of heading types for the size, color, and line height, also options for your paragraphs, and the entire page background options is not so important when we're just talking about Facebook, because the width of this page is 810 pixels anyway, which is a frame width of Facebook. So these page borders on the left and right aren't viewable. So it's those page borders as is that are actually the entire page background options. So that would be color, background image. Where you might want to make some changes is if you want a border around your Facebook page, then you could say, okay, I'm going to set the page border as to 10 pixels, and I'll change the color to a red. Now if I save the changes on that, and I'll just refresh, you can now see that there's a page border around the page that will actually be viewable in Facebook.